Hey guys, welcome to DataPointer. Today we are going to learn how to install Anaconda Navigator for Windows. We are going to learn what is Anaconda Navigator and its advantages. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing, that is data science, machine learning applications, large-scale data processing, predictive analytics, etc., that aims to simplify package management and deployment. The distribution includes data science packages suitable for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Now we will move towards advantages of Anaconda Navigator. The first advantage is that there are many packages pre-installed in Anaconda Navigator. Because of that, we don't need to install packages like pandas, NumPy, etc. The second advantage is that the environment variables are set by Anaconda Navigator, and we don't need to set the path differently. Anaconda Navigator consists of many tools for machine learning and data science like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, RStudio, and many more. So let's move towards installation of Anaconda Navigator. First step is type Anaconda on Google search. Then click on the first link that would appear. This is the official website of Anaconda. When the site opens, click on the Products tab present on the right corner of the screen. In the Products option, click on Individual Edition. This edition is generally recommended for developers. Then scroll down a little bit. A screen containing download links would appear. There are three options. If you want to download for Windows, you can click on Windows link. If you want to download that for Mac OS or Linux, you can choose either of the both. For now we are going to install it for Windows. There are two options for Windows, that are Python 3.7 version or Python 2.7 version. Generally, Python 3.7 version is recommended over Python 2.7 version, because the Python 3.7 is latest version of Python with more upgrades, and mostly companies have started using Python 3.7 version. So we will download Python 3.7 version. Since the file is very large, that is approximately 466 megabytes, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. I have previously downloaded the file. When you click on the file, a box would appear. This is installer for Anaconda. Then click on Next to continue. Then there would be a license agreement. Click on I agree option. Then click on Install for just me, and click on Next. Choose the destination folder where you want to install the file. You can change the destination depending upon the size of the folder. Then click on Next. Then there would be two options, like checkboxes. The first option is to set the path variables. Anaconda would automatically install the path variables. Then click on the first option. Then click on Install. It will take few minutes to install. After installation of Anaconda Navigator, in order to check whether it is installed properly, go to PowerShell prompt. In PowerShell prompt, type the keyword Python. This will tell you that whether there is Python present in your computer or not. I have Python 3.7 version. Then press Ctrl+C to go out. Again type conda list. Wait for some seconds. This command is to display the packages present in Anaconda Navigator. A list of packages will appear on screen. These are the pre-installed packages. Now you can open Anaconda Navigator. There are many options like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, RStudio, etc. Jupyter Notebook is generally used for machine learning problems. RStudio is used for statistical computing and graphics. Spider is generally used for machine learning and deep learning models. Visual Studio Code is also present, but it is not recommended for machine learning problems. It is generally used for programming purposes. So this is installation for Anaconda Navigator. Hope you like it. So we will meet you in the next video. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and happy learning.